the interior of my house. So आगे का नहीं आ रहा है, pause कर. थोडंसं जोराने बोला म्हणे ते, ऐकू गेलं पाहिजे ऑडियन्सला. ठीक आहे,
मराठीत
हां मराठीत बोला तुम्ही. Hello, I am Saili Kulkarni. I am working in Dassault Systems Hinjwadi and my house is in Wakad. So for RK Designs, I got the reference from my sister because my sister has done her interior from RK Design. So I got the contact of Remanji from her and she highly recommended his services. So I contacted him. He came to the flat, the site, and he has given us a nice quote. We have told him whatever the customizations and our requirements. He agreed to that. Also, moreover, he has suggested many good changes into the interiors as well, and given us a nice quote for that. So after finalizing all the colors and shades, he has given us a date when he can deliver all the items. So based on that, he has given the delivery in time. So that was the first win-win for us because we wanted to relocate to this house as soon as we can, and he has given us the proper estimate and he has done it into the that estimated time. Also, one more thing I was pleased was there was no mess in the house during this interior work because he has done all his work into the inventory, and it was just bringing all the parts and just fittings are done here, and the work of fitting was very well done. It is very good finishing is done. So the artworks and the workmen's were really nice, and they have completed it in very quickly and with good quality. So all the parts that he has used for the interior are of very good quality. So there was no compromise on the quality. All the fittings, all the hardware, all the hydraulic that he has used are of very good quality. Kitchen is as suggested by him, and also for wardrobes, whatever the customizations we wanted, be it the hangers, be it the lockers, everything whatever we have asked him suggestions, he has done all the changes. He has also suggested good color shades also for that. So yeah, I'm overall very happy with the service that he has provided to us within a budget. So that's why I highly recommend RK Designs for anyone who want to make their house beautiful.
माझं नाव सुभाष कुलकर्णी आहे. सायली कुलकर्णी ही माझी मुलगी आहे छोटी, आणि अश्विनी कुलकर्णी मोठी मुलगी आहे. यांनी घराचं काम खूप सुरेख आणि सुंदर केलेलं आहे. रहमान भाई यांनी खूप छान डेकोरेशन वगैरे, क्वालिटी वगैरे खूप सुंदर आणि दर्जेदार बनविली आहे. यांच्या कामानिमित्त यांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. रहमान भाई यांची टीम खूपच मेहनती आणि सुरेख काम करण्यात तरबेज आहे.